Hi everyone! In this video we're going to show you how we converted a failing gunite pool into a beautiful fiberglass pool. You can convert any pool into a fiberglass pool. A vinyl liner, gunite, aluminum. Fiberglass can be laid over the existing surface. And because we can lay fiberglass over any structure, it's a lot more cost effective converting a pool that's failing than removing a pool and then replacing it with a new one. This particular pool was located in Texas, and as you can see from the pictures, repairs have been made to it numerous times before our arrival. Each time it was repaired, the repair never held up. The pool continuously lost water, and the client was always having to fill up their pool. They were told that there was nothing more that could be done. They were going to have to take out the pool and replace it with a new one, and then that's when they found us. We told them any pool could be repaired, and as you can see, the cracks went from the hot tub all the way down to the bottom of the floor in this gunite pool. Now once we filled the cracks with our special trowel mix, a layer of fiberglass, and the resin to harden it, we then let that sit, and we're going to start to begin on fiberglassing the rest of the pool. We first started with the beach entrance and the steps. We applied 2 layers of fiberglass matting over it and then our resin and let that harden. Now once that had completely cured, we ground the entire surface where we laid the fiberglass matting. Then we began the same process on the walls. Now once we had the 2 layers of fiberglass matting on all our walls and the benches along the walls, we then had to sit and let that harden as well. Now because of all the intricate curves of this particular pool, it was a lot easier to do it in steps than trying to coat the entire structure in one day with fiberglass. Now once the walls had hardened, we then had to go through and grind over all the fiberglass that we had applied on the walls to get that ready for the next step, which was to apply the 2 layers of fiberglass matting over the floor of the pool. Now once all the prep work was done and ready for us to begin applying our 2 layers of fiberglass on the floor, we started in the deep end, slowly working our way up into the shallow end of the pool, so then when we were all done, we would stop by the steps in the tanning ledge and we were able to get out of the pool without stepping on any of the work we had already done. Now while we were waiting for the floor to harden, we then began applying our 2 layers of fiberglass matting and resin over the attached hot tub that was on this gunite pool as well. Once both the floor and hot tub had completely cured and hardened, we then ground the floor and the hot tub that we had just applied our fiberglass to. So now the entire pool was completely ground and ready to start applying the epoxy top coat. Now once the prep work was done and the pool was completely cleaned of any debris, we were ready to start applying our 2 layers of epoxy top coat over the entire pool structure. Our clients chose black. They wanted their pool to look like a pond. Now once the pool and the hot tub were completely coated with 2 layers of our epoxy top coat, we let that cure and harden for a couple days, and then the pool and the hot tub were ready to be filled with water. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed watching us transform this failing gunite pool into a beautiful fiberglass pool. And remember, any pool can be repaired and also converted into a fiberglass. No pool is ever beyond repair. Thank you again for watching, and have a wonderful and blessed day.